Hi, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the things that I got for my family of 4 for my monthly grocery haul trip. I went to Costco, Sam's Club, Walmart, and Smith's, which is my local Kroger store. And I got a lot of things for the holidays. I got lots of fun ingredients to make some fun treats and some fun foods that me and my family like to enjoy during the holidays. So let's get over to the counter and I'll show you what I got. Okay, here's everything that I got from Costco for this month. I got half a gallon of some half and half. All of my other stores were out of it, so I was glad that I could find some at Costco. And I got these Ghirardelli squares. These ones are for some gifts for some of Lucy's teachers. We got this variety pack of Ziploc. I couldn't remember exactly what I needed, but I knew I needed some things. I know for sure I don't have any backups of the snack size, and I think I was getting low on the gallon and the quart as well. So those will be good to have. And I got some string cheese. This artichoke jalapeno parmesan dip was on sale. This is one of my favorites. We like it a lot at Christmas time. And I got some of the Carb Balance tortillas for me. I got some of our favorite bread, this Great Greens one. I got Chex Mix for my husband for some snacks for lunches. This was on sale this month. The pretzel crisps were also on sale. I like those in the dip that I showed you earlier. And then we got some jalapeno poppers. Again, these were on sale. We like these around New Year's and around Christmas, just for fun, like appetizer lunches or snacks or parties or whatever. And then I usually get the Dino Nuggets from Sam's Club, but they were out of stock. So I got some from Costco for the girls. And then I got two, kind of purchased. There we go. I got 2 rotisserie chickens this month. I like to pull all the meat off the bones and shred it, and then I store it in like 2-cup containers, 2-cup like Ziploc bags to use in casseroles and just other random meals. And I know I have at least 2, maybe 3 of those meals planned for this month. So that will be, all of that meat will come from just this one chicken. And then I'll have shred up the other one just to have as backup in case I change my mind about a recipe, or if I need more for next month or want some for lunches or things like that. And then I'll take the carcasses and make chicken stock out of it. And I will link the video where I show you guys how to make that if you haven't seen it. Or if you want to learn more about how to do it, I will link that video up in the iCard and down below as well. Here is what I got from Sam's Club today. I got a 5-pound bag of chicken nuggets just for quick, easy lunches. And I was running low on Bisquick, so I got a big box of that, and it was on instant savings for this month. And then we're getting low on hot cocoa, and so I got this big mix. This will last us for a couple of years, but this is my favorite brand. It's a local company here in Utah, and it is really, really good. They also had this loaded baked potato soup on sale, so on instant savings. So I got some of that just for a quick, easy lunch or dinners. We got some bananas for the girls. We're almost out of tortillas, so I got our favorite Tortilla Land. These ones are raw, and you just cook them. They also freeze really well, both in the raw form and in cooked form. So we usually stick one of the packages just in the freezer right away and then keep the other ones out to eat. And then I really liked this ham last month, so I got another package of it. And then cinnamon rolls were on sale again, so I got another package of those just for fun breakfasts during the month of December. And I needed some new body wash. This one I really like. It's the Winter Care. And it just helps moisturize my skin a lot more because I get really dry skin here in the winter. And then this Alfredo sauce was on sale on the instant savings, and I noticed that I only had 1 jar left of it in my pantry, so I just got that. And then I got 3 dozen eggs, 2 18-packs, and eggs were so expensive. Like, they've been getting expensive, but it was insane how much eggs were. So I'm buying these and then hoping that they will last for a little while, that we won't need to buy eggs for a little bit, or that eggs will come back down in price. And then I also got a big bag of ice and a package of water bottles. These I just use for our like emergency storage. So we have emergency water. We had recently needed to filter through some of our water, and so some of our water like storage. And so we used up 1 case of water bottles that we had, so I bought another one just so that we would have enough water for us in case of an emergency. Here is everything that I got from Walmart this month. I got a 10-pound bag of potatoes, mostly because I have a couple of like potato side dishes that I'm making for various Christmas, like dinners, parties, get-togethers, those kinds of things. Those had sweet potatoes on a pretty good deal. And we've really been liking these lately to make hash or to have as a side dish with our dinners. So I got some of those. We got some more baby carrots, and we got a small ham to do for a Christmas dinner for our family. I got 2 boxes of these chocolate puddings. This is an ingredient I need to make one of our family's favorite cakes. And I have the cake mixes that I need for it, but not the chocolate pudding. So I got a couple of those just to make sure that I have those on hand. I got 2 sweetened condensed milks because we were getting a little bit low, and I used those to make fudge at Christmas time. And then we got 2 chicken dipping sauces because I just recently opened one, and then I got another one for our backstock. And then I got another one of these because I just recently opened the one that we had in our backstock, so I got that as a backup. And then in the frozen section, we got some tater tots. There's a breakfast casserole I like to use these in, as well as tater tot casserole, or we like using them for breakfast burritos and a bunch of other things. And we were out, so I got those. And then I got a big bag of the seasoned French fries because they're finally back in stock, and these ones are our favorite. They're just nice to have for a quick side with our chicken nuggets or burgers or whatever. They also had sweet potato fries back in stock, so I got some of those just for convenience. And then we were also out of, I like to keep some frozen peppers and onions on hand, just again for quick like taco nights, putting them in breakfast casseroles or all kinds of things. So I got a bag of those. Back here, I got some yogurt tubes for Lucy. She asked for some more of those. I got some cottage cheese to make a couple recipes this month. A big thing of sour cream to make a couple things of recipes. I really like this yogurt, so I got this to have for kind of a lower carb snack for me. And then I also got some heavy whipping cream to use in a few recipes. I got some, chive and onion cream cheese to have on some wraps. And then I was also completely out of regular cream cheese. So I got 3 2-packs, so 6 blocks total of cream cheese. So those will be nice to use in a few recipes that I have, and other kind of holiday treats and snacks that we like to make. Here's everything that I got from Smith's this week. I got 2 18-ounce packages of blueberries. These were on a digital coupon for this week. So the girls will definitely go through for sure one of these before they go bad. If they're not going through them as quickly, I can freeze them, or we can make some blueberry muffins with them, which the girls also really like. These smoked sausages were on sale as well, so I got 2 of those. This I had a coupon to get a free Kroger breakfast sausage, so I got that. This big 24 case of Dr. Pepper was on sale, so I got that. And then I got a bunch of candy, and most of this is either for stockings or to make like holiday treats with that I make every year and usually give to neighbors and friends. So I got hot cocoa kisses. These ones I just wanted to try, so I got those to try. Candy cane kisses we use on chocolate cookies and melt them on top, and those are a really good cookie. I got Rolos. We put these on top of like a square pretzel, kind of like what they're showing right there. So I got regular Rolos and dark salted caramel Rolos, which I thought would be fun to try. So you just put those on a square pretzel, melt them a little bit, push an M&M down on top, and make little like turtle things. I don't know what to call them, but they're yummy. We got candy canes. Oops. I got some cherry candy canes because Lucy wanted candy canes to eat while we go look at Christmas lights this season. I got some Reese's Trees for stockings, M&Ms I got for the Rolo treats, and I also have cute little candy dishes, like Christmas candy dishes, that I like to keep M&Ms in, and also these Cadbury snowballs. I like to keep those in my candy dishes as well. And all of this candy there was a coupon for 33% off, so that made all of these significantly cheaper by at least $1 than Costco or Target, even with Target's like coupon deals on it. So that's everything that I got from Smith's. That's everything that I bought for my family of 4. It's me and my husband and our 5-year-old daughter and our 1-year-old daughter. And yeah, that will definitely get us through the month. Each week I do go into my local Kroger store and usually stock up on some fresh produce. And if there's anything that's on sale that is at a good stock up price, then I will buy that then as well. And I usually spend about between $25 and $30 each week doing that. But the bulk of my ingredients and the bulk of the things that we eat and use throughout the month come from this once a month grocery haul. So if you like these, I will link a playlist of the other monthly grocery hauls that I've done if you want to watch more. And I'll link that down in the description box for you guys. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.